Hey YouTube, my name is Eric and I'm starting to start this channel to try to become self-sufficient. And what I'm going to try to do is I'm actually going to take this down, and now that it's been damaged from the high winds and everything, I'm going to try to take it down and possibly use it to try to construct a greenhouse, hopefully that'll go from the behind here of this fence up from the back side or left side to the back side here, and use part of that for a greenhouse, for also possibly want to do some chickens, maybe some quails. Also just kind of an idea. And I'm also new at this, so and let's see what we can do. You know, I'm new, so hopefully people can follow along with me and do what I can do, or try to do what I'm going to try to do, and we learn together. And also, along with this channel, later on I got some other plans of doing some things with solar, and possibly maybe either windmills or homemade windmills, however I decide to do that. And possibly doing, I'm also looking at doing an electric car conversion. It'll be kind of different. Some may not even think of, or some we have, and a little different. But basically, it's all just supposed to be gonna be kind of just self-sufficient and just learn on my way, learn as I go. So basically, this is what I'm working with right now. This is all going to be taken down and redone. We'll see what we can do.